Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on a Suno app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Suno. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode to fix that problem.